Fireflies are known as the most effective light-producing creatures in the world. Their uniqueness lies in their ability to generate light without producing any heat. The light emitted by fireflies has a perfect efficiency of 100%, meaning that despite appearing bright, no heat is generated during this process. A fascinating comparison arises when considering firefly light versus incandescent bulbs, known for their low light efficiency of only about 10%. In other words, only a small fraction of the energy consumed by incandescent bulbs is actually transformed into light, while the rest, around 90%, is converted into heat. This stark difference highlights the extraordinary ability of fireflies to produce light without wasting energy in the form of heat. Firefly light is a remarkable example of bioluminescence, referring to the ability of living organisms to produce light through chemical reactions within their bodies. This light is produced through the interaction of a chemical compound called luciferin with an enzyme known as luciferase, acting as a catalyst. When luciferin reacts with oxygen in the presence of luciferase, firefly bioluminescence serves various functions. The light produced by fireflies can be used for finding mates during mating rituals, attracting prey with light resembling star or moonlight, and as a form of defense, by confusing predators through warnings of toxicity or unpleasantness. It also serves for social interactions among fireflies. These functions can vary depending on the firefly species and the life stages they go through. Interestingly, many firefly species undergo changes in the use of bioluminescent light throughout their life cycle. When they are still young or in the larval stage, bioluminescent light can be a crucial tool for various purposes, such as attracting prey or finding mates during mating. However, as they reach adulthood, some firefly species may lose this ability, becoming more active during the day and opting to use chemical pheromones as a substitute for light in communication with potential mates. Some firefly species have the ability to produce light even from the egg and larval stages. Firefly eggs can flicker or emit light in response to stimuli like gentle tapping or vibrations. There are over 2,000 registered firefly species worldwide, each having similarities but also differences in size, color, light patterns, and behavior. Most of them inhabit temperate or tropical climates, illuminating fields, forests, and marshes during dusk or night. Their light displays have captivated people for thousands of years, continuing to be a source of entertainment for both children and adults. Fireflies possess highly acute olfactory and tactile senses. With their antennae, they detect chemical compounds in the air and the surrounding environment, allowing them to find food from a distance, especially food not easily visible to them. This combination of vision and scent is typically essential for fireflies in hunting. Their feeding patterns vary significantly depending on their developmental stage and species. In the larval stage, fireflies are voracious hunters actively stalking their prey. Upon locating a target, firefly larvae inject neurotoxins that paralyze the prey. These neurotoxins are accompanied by digestive enzymes that break down the prey's body, making it easier for them to consume. However, when reaching adulthood, some fireflies switch to different feeding patterns, such as consuming nectar or pollen from flowers. Some female firefly species may attack spider webs and steal their prey, while others may not eat anything as adults because their primary goal is to mate and produce offspring. As a result, most adult fireflies consume only as much food as necessary to survive long enough to mate. Some firefly species exhibit cannibalistic behavior, with females occasionally preying on males who are potential mates. On the flip side, fireflies are also preyed upon by many insects, reptiles, birds, and small mammals. Nevertheless, most firefly species leave an unpleasant taste in the mouth, and some can even cause temporary illness if consumed, discouraging most predators from attacking them.